Hi, I'm Emily Brackett, founder of Branding Compass. I created Branding Compass to bring the expert guidance and insights that normally come from working with a high-end branding firm to small business owners and entrepreneurs. What I want you to do is do this important foundational work, and we make it easy with Branding Compass. Here's how Branding Compass works. You'll start with our online workbook. It asks you the same sorts of questions that a brand consultant would ask you. I've made it as easy as possible for you. You'll use pick lists, drag and drop rankings, and short answers to quickly identify what makes your brand special. Expect to take about an hour to complete the workbook. If you can't complete the workbook in one sitting, you can create an account and come back to it later. Just scroll up to the very top of the page and click on the button that says, "Don't lose your progress, register now." When you come back to brandingcompass.com, choose Login to get back to your workbook. After you complete your workbook and submit your answers, you'll receive a 10 to 20 page personalized report with recommendations on the best words, fonts, colors, and visuals for your brand. These are all developed by me, an award-winning designer and brand consultant with more than 15 years of experience. I hope you find Branding Compass helpful for your business.